Hi guys, a portable jobsite table saw is a type of table saw that is designed for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need to bring the tool to different job sites. They are typically compact, lightweight, and easy to move, but still offer many of the features and capabilities of a full-size stationary table saw. Portable jobsite table saws typically come with a folding stand or base, making them easy to set up and take down. They are also designed to be durable and able to withstand the rigors of being transported from job site to job site. So to help you with your decision, we have listed top 10 best portable jobsite table saw and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 10, DEWALT Table Saw, 10-inch. The DEWALT DWE7491RS 10-inch jobsite table saw with 32 to 2-inch rip capacity and a rolling stand features a rack and pinion fence system which makes fence adjustments fast, smooth and accurate. The 32 to 2-inch rip capacity easily cuts a variety of larger shelving and trim materials. The patented material support allows this to be used for narrow rip cuts. Cabinet installers, ripping filler boards. This unit features a 15-amp motor which quickly rips through hardwoods with ease. The telescoping fence rails easily extend and retract to create a small portable package, and the flip-over ripping fence allows for narrow rip cuts. This saw offers 3 to 1/8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 to 1/4-inch at 45 degrees. A 2-inch dust collection port easily connects to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction to keep cleanup at a minimum. The next is Number 9, SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable jobsite. The SKIL TS6307-00 10-inch jobsite table saw has a 25 to 1/2 rip capacity and is equipped with a 15-amp motor, integrated foldable legs, rack and pinion fence rails, and a dust port elbow to keep your jobsite clean. The 15-amp motor quickly rips through hardwoods with ease, while the rack and pinion fence rails make fence adjustments fast, smooth, parallel blade alignment, and accurate. With its 0 to 45 degrees bevel capacity, the quick release lever allows for cuts between two positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, and its 4x4 cutting capacity allows for swift 90-degree cutting. The integrated foldable legs seamlessly form into a folding stand to provide portability and convenience, while the dust port elbow systematically redirects dust to a container for easy cleanup. The next is Number 8, DEWALT Table Saw for Jobsites. Maximized for accuracy and capacity, this DEWALT DWE7485 8 to 1/4-inch table saw includes onboard storage for blade guard assembly, non-through-cut riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, blade change wrenches, miter gauge and push stick. The powerful DEWALT 15-amp, 5,800 RPM motor allows users to complete a majority of applications. Compact size for ease of transportation. The rack and pinion fence allow for fast, easy adjustments and provides the capacity to rip 4x8 sheet goods. Amazon.com return policy. Amazon.com TR voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. The next is Number 7, BORA Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse, 1.6-second setup. The BORA Portamate Speedhorse is the only sawhorse on the market with lever quick-release deploy technology, best-in-class capacity. Comes as a single stand that can support up to 1,500 pounds, which is 200 pounds more than the leading competitors. 30 inches tall working height puts your project within easy reach. Come ready to use and no assembly is needed. Single-piece table stand with folding legs, non-sequential leg folding. To tear down your worksite, just pull the levers on each end and fold the legs up. Unlike standard sawhorses, it doesn't matter which leg is folded first. Longer, PRA drilled top. The pre-drilled metal top allows you to screw in 2x4s as makeshift brackets to a worktop. This prolongs the life of your equipment and protects it from damage. Its extra long length of 45 inches provides maximum stability. The next is Number 6, SKIL 15-amp 10-inch. The SKIL TS6307-00 10-inch jobsite table saw has a 25 to 1/2 rip capacity and is equipped with a 15-amp motor, integrated foldable legs, rack and pinion fence rails, and a dust port elbow to keep your jobsite clean. The 15-amp motor quickly rips through hardwoods with ease, while the rack and pinion fence rails make fence adjustments fast, parallel blade alignment, smooth, and accurate. With its 0 to 45 degrees bevel capacity, the quick release lever allows for cuts between two positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, and its 4x4 cutting capacity allows for swift 90-degree cutting. The integrated foldable legs seamlessly form into a folding stand to provide portability and convenience, while the dust port elbow systematically redirects dust to a container for easy cleanup. The parallel blade alignment allows for ease of blade adjustment along the rip fence and miter slot. For precise accurate cuts, the next is Number 5, WEN LA3421 3.2 amp 8-inch. Remember when you could turn your own pens? Fill your house with as many pens as you can with the WEN 8-inch by 13-inch variable speed mini wood lathe. Adjust the variable speed anywhere from 750 to 3,200 rotations per minute. The WEN 8-inch by 13-inch variable speed benchtop wood lathe features an MT1 spindle and tailstock taper to tightly grip workpieces, speed anywhere from 750 to 3,200 RPM, 2 tool rests to provide needed support for chisels and tools during operation, and a 3.2 amp motor to keep things turning. The easy-to-use levered clamping system makes adjustments to both the tool rest and the tailstock simple and precise. The WEN wood lathe also includes a flat wrench, a headstock spur center, a tailstock cup center, a knockout rod and a 2.3-inch faceplate for non-spindle workpieces. The next is Number 4, JET JWL 1640 EVS, 16-inch by 40-inch wood lathe. The JET JWL 1640 EVS 16 inches by 40 inches variable speed woodworking lathe is loaded with cutting-edge features that distinguish it from others in its class. Included is a sliding headstock, electronic infinitely variable speed from 40 to 3,200 RPM, and a headstock locking return policy. Amazon.com TR voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Tailstock features ACME threads. If you'd like a copy of the manufacturer's warranty for a product found on Amazon.com, you can contact the manufacturer directly or visit their website for more information. Manufacturer's warranties may not apply in all cases, depending on factors like the use of the product, where the product was purchased, or who you purchased the product from. The next is Number 3, JET JWSS 22B, 22-inch scroll saw with foot switch. The JET 22-inch scroll saw with foot switch and universal benchtop machine table offers users accurate cutting with a tilting arm, convenient storage with blade positioning on either side. Say hello to the JET 22-inch scroll saw. Combining best-in-class features with innovation and thoughtful design to create the machine you've been waiting for. The best part about this saw is the blade change process. Limited vibration with large cast iron table. Our exclusive upper mechanism clamps and tensions the blade in one step. In addition to the upper mechanism, the toolless lower blade holder is removable and the table features a slot for the blade. The features don't stop there. This saw offers 22 inches of throat capacity, and an arm that tilts 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. This saw is designed to optimize your scrolling experience. The next is Number 2, DEWALT Table Saw, 10-inch. Coated aluminum tabletop with 26-inch rip capacity can easily rip through larger wood material and reduce extra friction for smoother sliding. Equipped with high-power 15-amp motor in low noise, 36-tooth blade and aluminum tabletop. This table saw delivers 5,000 RPM cutting performance to rip through various kind of hardwood with ease. And the heavy-duty table saw stand effectively prevents table from rollover during cutting. Sliding miter gauge can be adjusted from -45 degrees to 45 degrees for cross-cutting. And self-aligning rip fence with parallel guide on both sides assists the more precise and stable cutting without any wobbling. The next is Number 1, WEN TT0811 11 amp 8.25 inch. The WEN 11 amp 8.25 inch benchtop table saw is a compact and portable solution for sawing straight, long cuts on larger workpieces. With a rip capacity of up to 25 inches, it's perfect for ripping 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets. The height and angle of the blade can be easily adjusted, and the tool-free blade guard can be installed or removed as needed. Rip capacity of up to 25 inches. The compact housing measures in with a footprint of a mere 15.5 by 23 inches, and includes a side-carrying handle for easy transportation and storage between uses. The WEN benchtop table saw also includes an 8.25-inch TCT 24T blade with 5/8-inch arbor, an adjustable rip fence, an auxiliary fence, a miter gauge, a push stick, a dust port adapter, a riving knife, and onboard storage for easy organization. It also comes backed by a 2-year warranty and a helpful customer phone line. So this is the best option for you to buy.